Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to all of you from Sydney to the very first of a series of online events planned by Vision 2020 as part of their mission to help those in need. The event is also being streamed on Facebook Live. My name is Asmita, and I'm going to be hosting this event along with my co-host, Amita. I also want to take this opportunity to wish all the fathers watching today in this part of the world a very happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Before we go any further, I would like to go over a few housekeeping points to ensure the smooth running of the event. All viewers will be muted by our moderator, except for the hosts, speakers, and performers during their performance. This will prevent any unnecessary disruptions. You'll be muted briefly to acknowledge and applaud after every performance. Please avoid two devices next to each other logged on to Zoom, as this could create disturbances. Please feel free to use the chat line for any queries or feedback. The chat line can be used to pledge your donation as well. It'll be responded to during the breaks or towards the end of the event. Bank details will be displayed on the banner and also on the chat line. This is our first attempt with an online event, and there are likely to be some technological limitations and challenges. Your patience and cooperation will be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. I would now like to hand over to my co-host Amita to tell you a little bit more about Vision 2020 and also about today's event.
Thank you, Ashmita. Hello, everybody. Just by all of you being here today and supporting this event, you are playing a role in creating a meaningful change in the lives of others. Especially with the global situation today, supporting not-for-profit organizations such as Vision 2020 is so important. Over the last 18 years, Vision 2020 has raised over $250,000 for various projects such as the Home for Destitute Women, Tender Heart Educational Society, and Muscular Dystrophy Association, just to name a few. Together with all of you, Vision 2020 is committed to creating a positive change for children, the elderly, education, healthcare, and disaster relief, with 100% of the funds raised going towards the cause. The money raised for today's event will be going towards essential support equipment, such as syringe pumps and ECG equipment for terminally ill patients at the Swami Shraddhanand Hospital. Please donate generously. Now, we have a very exciting show planned for you all today with two amazingly talented musicians performing for us, Ashim Kemzin and Shuddhi Ramani. We are definitely in for a very entertaining afternoon, right, Ashmita?
Absolutely, looking forward to it. Thanks so much, Amita. We would also like to welcome our event sponsors for today, Pet Nest, Soulful Shots Photography, On Track Systems Australia Proprietary Limited, and Baby Nest. We are grateful for your support. I personally have been involved with Vision 2020 on and off for some years now. And what strikes me most about this charity is its authenticity and the way the volunteers put their heart and soul into their efforts to make a difference. A wise person once said, giving is not just about making a donation, it is about making a difference. It is this difference that I witnessed firsthand when I visited the Jyotis school while on a trip to Kerala earlier this year. Vision 2020 had raised 12,000 Australian dollars, which enabled the school to buy a specially fitted minibus so that children with brain damage, especially with cerebral palsy, could attend school more regularly and acquire vital skills. It was really humbling to see how our small donations were making such a big impact and positively changing the lives of so many people in need. So, friends, I urge you to dig deep into your pockets with the sole purpose of making a difference to the life of those who are less fortunate.
You couldn't have said it better, Ashmita. I definitely urge you all to please dig deep and donate if you can. We are now going to begin with a short introductory video about the Swami Shraddhanand Hospital.
Can't hear anything?
This one irritates me. There are so many IT guys. Nobody is supporting.
There seems to be a slight technical glitch. We're just going to wait for our moderator to start the video. Please bear with us.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्.
Based on the theme of this prayer, Swami Shraddhananda built a hospital in the 1970s. The project is based in Nirmal village on the outskirts of Mumbai city and is covered by beautiful lakes from three sides, increasing the panoramic view of the hospital. In 2015, Swami Shraddhananda Hospital was handed over to the Bhaktivedanta group for conducting the operational activities. The 14-bedded setup offers healthcare services like X-ray, ECG, full-fledged pathology lab, and a fully equipped dental clinic to give quality treatment to all patients irrespective of their social or economic condition. Swami Shraddhananda Hospital also offers a unique facility of 11-bed palliative care ward where terminally ill patients are cared for with genuine love and compassion. The specially trained staff ensures patients are given an environment just like their home. Ophthalmology is one of the fastest growing departments, having a dedicated building where more than 1,000 patients are checked and 250 cataract surgeries are performed every month. 60% of our patients are treated and operated free of cost, and the rest are given concessional rates. Our eye care setup boasts of a modern and fully equipped operational theater. All protocols are followed to deliver quality care. As outreach activities, we conduct various free checkup camps for eye, orthopedics, and dental care.
My congratulations to the team of Shraddhananda Hospital, all the trustees of Bombay Medical Aid Foundation, Bhaktivedanta Hospital, Shraddhananda Hospital, for the possible new venture which is coming up. So my best wishes for the whole team, and I request all those who are well-wishers of Shraddhananda Hospital of this area and they want to do something good work, they can contribute financially, by their suggestions, intellectually, and if not, at least by their good wishes.
Thank you to the Swami Shraddhanand Hospital for this enlightening video. It is inspiring to see patients receiving such selfless service. Later on during the event, we will have Dr. Suraj, who is representing the hospital, give us an insight into what can be achieved with the funds we raised today. Now, without further ado, let's get right into what we've all been waiting for. Is food for the soul. It can lift your spirits and fill your heart with joy. Especially during the current challenging times, I'm sure you'll all agree that music is nothing less than therapy. Today, as Amita mentioned earlier, we have two of Bollywood's exciting and upcoming young stars performing for us, Shuddhi Ramani and Ashim Kemson. Their style of performance is contemporary and unique. We are grateful to both of them for giving us their valuable time, and we hope to get to know them a little better as the afternoon progresses. As promised in the promo, get ready for a musical treat and enjoy some great melodies from the yesteryears and some modern rhythms and beats. It is my pleasure to introduce our first performer, Shuddhi Ramani.
Hello.
Hello, Shuddhi. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Looking great, Shuddhi. Love that blue on you.
Thank you so much.
Shuddhi is an accomplished singer-songwriter who grew up in Mumbai and at such a young age has many feathers in her cap already. She has dabbled in musical theatre and has lent her voice to Bollywood movies and TV shows. She performs for corporate events and conducts music workshops to train novices effectively for stage. Shuddhi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you. That was such a wonderful introduction. You're really kind.
No problem at all. You deserve every bit of it. I've heard you sing, Shuddhi, and I must say I'm a big fan. I heard Hush and I heard Chalte Raho, and I was just blown away. After this, I hope everybody else goes back and listens to these couple of songs that just totally blew me away. I know your repertoire is much larger than this, but tell us, how are you associated with Vision 2020?
So I think this was such an amazing concept. And also because the day Robin asked me to kind of get on board and do this for this particular hospital and this particular organization and cause, I think I was it so deeply touched me because I think I've always wanted to use music for a better cause. And because music has helped me in so many ways much before I took it up professionally. And one of the major reasons that I took up music professionally was I still remember the singer and the song that I heard one day when I was 20 years old. And what his voice did to me was something I thought if I can contribute to somebody's life, even a 0.5% with my voice or music, I think that's what I want to do for the rest of my life. And that's how, in fact, I decided to get into music. So it's very strongly associated with this.
Oh, that's awesome. Absolutely. In your childhood, how did you get drawn to music? And when was the first time you thought, this is the career path for me?
So as a child, in fact, I took it up very seriously because you know how when you have a decent voice in school, you're just like kind of pushed under the spotlight, even if you don't want to. Absolutely. And I was an extremely introvert, shy kid, and I would dislike my teachers for doing that. They would just kind of call me out of the assembly and get me to sing. And I think because of my personality back then, I thought I'm not going to do it professionally because I'm always going to have the stage fright and stuff like that. But early in my 20s, I realized that this is exactly what I want to do. And today, I think stage is the most comfortable place for me. Performing is home for me. And it's just been quite a journey I think music is very heavily related to my personality growth as well. So it's just very close to me.
Oh, awesome. This is a very different Shuddhi we are seeing from your school days. And we are loving every bit of it.
Absolutely.
All right, great. Look, let's not hold back. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you Shuddhi Ramani.
Thank you so much. So I think, as Asmita mentioned, I'm going to take you all to some nostalgia and some older music. It's because my parents listen to a lot of older music, and that's how I got familiar to it and started liking it. And I think every musician is familiar with old music because they're just such undying melodies. So I'm just going to dive right into it now. Can you hear me and see me clearly? Yeah. Technically, is it okay? Yeah. Thank you. अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। मुबारक है तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए, मुबारक है तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए, किसी के इतने पास हो कि सबसे दूर हो गए। अजीब दास्तां है ये, जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। You all can at least lip sync with me. I know y'all are all on mute. ना कोई है ना कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाना, देखी सबकी यादें मेरा दिल जलाना। अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाना, देखी सब छोटे से कसूर पे कैसे हो खफा, रूठे तो हुजूर थे मेरी क्या खता। छोटे से कसूर पे कैसे हो खफा, रूठे तो हुजूर थे मेरी क्या खता। देखो दिल न तोड़ो, छोड़ो हाथ,
बस अंडे देना यार,
देखो
हाथ ना देना और मोटे मोटे साफ साफ।
छोड़ो हाथ, छोड़ो, छोड़ दिया तो हाथ मलोगे समझे, अजी समझे। अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाना, देखी सबकी यादें मेरा दिल जलाना। अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाना, देखी सबकी यादें मेरा दिल जलाना। This next song is going to remind everyone of their relationships, I think. बरसात आकर चली गई, बादल भी गरज कर बरस गए, पर उसकी एक झलक को हम ए हुस्न के मालिक तरस गए। कब प्यास बुझेगी आँखों की, दिन रात
बड़ा उखड़ा रहता है मेरे सामने वाले खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। ये चांद सवा शुभ चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसके जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। तारीफ करूं क्या उसके जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। दिल लगे रखो, दिल लगे रखो, दिल लगे रखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी। हाँ हाँ हाँ, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी। दिल लगे रखो, दिल लगे रखो, दिल लगे रखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी। हाँ हाँ हाँ, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया नहीं मैं समझा। हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया नहीं मैं समझा। बहुत भोला है बेचारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। This is more of a new age love actually. ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश की जाए, तुझे कोई खींचे मेरे ओर ही जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे। काहे घबराए, सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे। काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए। दिल मेरा है उसके, बंद रहे ना उसके, जिसके सर पर हाथ फिरा दूं चमके किस्मत उसके। दिल मेरा है उसके, बंद रहे ना उसके, जिसके सर पर हाथ फिरा दूं चमके किस्मत उसके। सुन 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 अरे बेटा सुन, इस चंपी में बड़े बड़े गुण। सुन 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 अरे बेटा सुन, इस चंपी में बड़े बड़े गुण। लाख दुखों की एक दवा है, ना आजमाए। काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए। समझ तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे। काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए। Thank you. So now we know if the current circumstances are harassing us, you know what you have to do. Just good chumpy, guys.
Absolutely, Shuddhi, that was just absolutely delightful. I can see a lot of people applauding there. I don't know if you, I don't think you can hear it, but
I
yes,
can see. I can see.
absolutely brilliant. I didn't want you to stop, but I guess we have to move on. We have to go on with the event. Thank you so much. That was brilliant. We, ladies and gentlemen, we will see more of Shuddhi a little bit later in the show. Can we, I suppose we've already given her a big round of applause, but once again, Shuddhi, a big round of applause to you. Before we move on, just a friendly reminder, friends, that donations can be made at any time during the event. Bank details are on the banner on the screen. We'll just wait for the banner to be seen. Yes, there we go. We've got the bank details showing on the screen. The details are also available on the chat line. Victor Hugo, the French poet, once said, "As the purse is emptied, the heart is filled." So be generous, my friends. You can't go wrong with this. Thank you.
You couldn't have said it better, Ashmita. I definitely agree. And thank you again, Shuddhi, for that amazing performance. Now, on to the next exciting part of the show. We have Ashim Kemzin performing for us. Ashim's journey began when he left his home in Punjab when he was 16 years of age. He then went to Delhi, where he studied sound engineering and joined T-Series, where he was an assistant to a sound engineer and learned a lot about the art of making music. Ashim is an incredibly talented singer, songwriter, director, and producer. His passion and proficiency for music is evident through his repertoire of work, such as featuring and singing the song Jattada in the movie Kabir Singh with Shahid Kapoor, and winning the award for Best Background Film Score at the 8th Bangalore Short Film Festival for the film Good Night, Sleep Tight. And this is just to name a few of his many achievements. Ashim, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Now, I know you write and compose a lot of your own music with a strong passion for Sufi and folk music. So I'd love to know, where do you get your inspiration from?
So it's like from the childhood, like I was used to play. I mean, I was used to go in church, and I used to see like pastors and brother playing guitar. And before that, like I was starting learning guitar, something from the pastors and all. And after that, uh, God gifted me that thing like to compose some gospel songs. So I started from the gospel songs in the church.
Wow.
I started composition uh, and started writing also the gospel songs. And after that, slowly, I started learning more and more, and it happens. That all inspiration came to me from the God only. Like I think, like I'm very thankful, and I mean, He gifted me lots of things to do like this.
Yeah, wow, that's an incredible story, Ashim, and I'm sure a lot of us can relate to that with the power and devotion with which you sing. And if you haven't checked out Ashim, please check him out on YouTube, and he has an Instagram page as well. So without further ado, please welcome Ashim Kemzin.
Yes, thank you. Hello everyone. And I just wanted to say, just recently we released Heroes movie, and it's about doctors and soldiers. And please watch that Heroes movie, directed by Tanuj Bhatia and written by Tanuj Bhatia and Tanuka. And there's my music also, and the great salute to our frontliners and soldiers, the song also, and the good story. And I really, I wanted everybody, please watch that, and that will be very good to watch. So so this was the little promotion for the Heroes, because just did recently the latest one. Thank you so much, Asmita. Thank you so much, Robin sir. So I just starting now. ओ तेरी काली अखियों से जिंद मेरी जागे, धड़कन से तेज दौड़ूं सपनों से आगे। सजदा तेरा सजदा दिन रैन करूं ना ही चैन करूं सजदा तेरा सजदा रखवार करूं मेरी जान लूट दूं अब जान लूट जाए ये जहां लूट जाए संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं सजदा तेरा सजदा दिन रैन करूं ना ही चैन करूं रांझना नैनों के तीर चल गए साजना सैंसों से दिल सिल गए पलकों पे छुपा लूं तेरा सजदा करूं सीने में समा लूं पलकों पे छुपा लूं सीने में समा लूं तेरा अंग रंग मेरे बोले अब जहां लूट जाए ये जहां लूट जाए संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं सजदा तेरा सजदा दिन रैन करूं ना ही चैन करूं सजदा तेरा सजदा दिन रैन करूं ना ही चैन करूं टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया ओ लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया गिरता हुआ वो आसमां से आकर गिरा जमीन पर ख्वाबों में फिर भी बादल ही थे वो कहता रहा मगर के अल्लाह के बंदे हंसते अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा खो के अपने पर ही तो उसने था उड़ना सीखा खो के अपने पर ही तो खो के अपने पर ही तो उसने था उड़ना सीखा तन को अपने साथ में ले ले दिल में तेरे नाम आएगा अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा प्यारे 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 तारे भी न लगे नहीं मारा जी यारे तारे भी न लगे नहीं मारा जी यारे नैनों ने तारे कैसा जादू किया रे तारे भी न लगे नहीं मारा जी यारे तारे भी न लगे नहीं मारा जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों की डोर मन मेरा खींचा चला आया तेरी ओर, मेरे चेहरे की सुबह, जुल्फों की शाम, मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से तेरे नाम। नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू, होने लगी है तू हंसी, आफरी 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 आफरी। हुस्ने जाना की तारीफ मुमकिन नहीं, हुस्ने जाना की तारीफ मुमकिन नहीं। किसको पता था पहलू में रखा दिल ऐसा बाजी भी होगा, हम तो हमेशा समझते थे कोई हम जैसा हाजी भी होगा। हाय जोरी करे कितना शोरी करे, बेवजह बातों पे ऐमे गोरी करे, दिल सा कोई कमीना नहीं, कोई तो रोके कोई तो टोके, कोई तो रोके कोई तो टोके, वरना खाओगे धोखे। डर लगता है सीने सीने में जी, दिल तो बच्चा है जी, हाँ थोड़ा कच्चा है जी, ओ दिल तो बच्चा है जी। डर लगता है इश्क करने में जी, दिल तो बच्चा है जी, ओ थोड़ा कच्चा है जी, हाँ दिल तो बच्चा है जी। Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ashim, maza aa gaya. That was so good. So soulful, so heartwarming. Thank you so much. Bahut maza aaya. We'll talk to you again very shortly. Don't go anywhere. Guys, another big round of applause for Ashim, please. If you all are on mute, we will applaud on your behalf.
Thank you so much.
I would now like to call upon Robin, who will be having a chat with Dr. Suraj from the Swami Shraddhanand Hospital, who has a presentation for us outlining what today's fundraising will achieve for them. So Robin, if you can take the stage, thank you.
Hello, everyone. Good to have you all. It's really great to see all of you here. Just going to quickly get in touch with Dr. Suraj on the other side of the world. He's far away in Palghar in Maharashtra. Can you hear me, Dr. Suraj?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Namaskar. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
You're fighting it out with your COVID situations at the moment. I know you're going through some
Yeah,
massive
yeah.
challenges. So thank you
Yeah.
so much for giving us the time. And I believe you have quite a bit of insight for us with regards to Shraddhanand Hospital and also the plans that you have for the future. So please go
Yeah.
ahead. I might just throw a few questions while you're doing your presentation. Thank you again.
So, yeah. Thank you for having me here today. I'd like to share my screen.
Yeah, just waiting for you to share your screen. Yeah, it's coming up.
Yeah. I'll start my presentation.
Please go ahead.
Is it visible?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So once again, good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Suraj Bhagde here from Swami Shraddhananda Hospital. We are a general hospital located at Nirmal village in Palghar district, catering to local Adivasis, fishermen, people from rural, tribal and semi-urban areas. We offer a range of quality medical services at affordable rates in a safe and therapeutic environment. We offer a unique facility of palliative care services in a general hospital setting for patients with terminal illnesses, aiming to improve their quality of lives, prevention and treatment of suffering. Psychological counseling, emotional support, and physical care closely intertwined with spiritual. We see multitudes of patients with chronic debilitating illnesses who have no treatment, who have no options for cure. Patients are shattered at the levels of body, mind, and soul. Hence, they require individual specialized palliative care. At Swami Shraddhananda Hospital, we have 11 beds of palliative care ward. Our specialized and well-experienced palliative care physicians, nurses, and support staff ensure that our patients get a comfortable stay and homely food at affordable rates. So far, we have served more than 192 such needy patients, many of whom have stayed with us for months or even years. We consider ourselves fortunate that many of them faith-based end-of-life spiritual care. However, our beds are almost always full and we require new, bigger and better facility, better advanced. Hence, we propose to create a new palliative care ward on the first floor of our building next to our existing charitable eye care ward. This ward will be 20 bedded. It will be spread over an area of 2,500 square feet with a nursing station, toilet complex, 20 beds, a pantry, store, and there will be an attached palliative care OPD for consultation.
Okay, Dr. Suraj, if I can just interrupt for a second. Yes, I'm glad you put that up. I would just let you know that the most important part as far as our donors and supporters are concerned, they would always like to know specifically as to where the funds that we are going to raise, where is it going to be exactly used. So I'm glad you're putting that up. So happy to go through that with you. I can see quite a bit of details on the screen there.
Infrastructure, we will require an elevator for ease of access, this being the first floor of the building. And there will be 20 semi-reclinable Fowler beds. There will be electricals and fixtures, furniture items, television set, and the like. For the medical care of our patients, we will require equipment for regular monitoring of our patients, some small medical equipment for routine medical treatments, and some specialized equipment for dealing with life-threatening situations or resuscitations or other specialized treatments.
So it's a combination of infrastructural needs as well as a lot of the equipment related to your operations, I guess.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
So we request all of you for your kind support to make a difference in the final journey of our patients. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Suraj. I hope people can see through this the genuine cause of why we are here. So I'll hand it over back to safe hands of Asmita and Amita now.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thanks, Robin. Thanks, Dr. Suraj. I mean, this just shows every small bit counts. Every small bit is going to go towards creating this, much better environment at the palliative care. And once again, imploring all of you to donate generously. Moving on. I would like to invite Ashim back to the stage, so-called stage. Ashim, that earlier performance of yours was absolutely mesmerizing. आपकी आवाज में ये दर्द है जो gives me goosebumps, really. I wanted to ask you, as Amita mentioned earlier, you left home very early at the age of 16, 17, I believe. Do you miss your native Punjab? And what advice would you give other 16, 17-year-olds who want to make it big in this industry? I mean, just based on your experiences. Oh, we can't hear Ashim. I think he just needs to unmute himself. Thanks, Ashim.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can hear you now. Go ahead.
Thank you. This is very beautiful question, and I mean, like, it's nice. I mean, this was my experience. So I do miss my native place, actually. I do, and I do very much. Now you can listen me clearly, I think.
Loud and clear. Thank you.
Loud and clear. So I do miss, yes. And I wanted to say, like, efforts is the big thing. Like, if we do efforts, and one day we can achieve everything. Like, so the big thing is like efforts. We should effort what we want to do, just to take step and make it thing happen. And the
Absolutely.
second thing, like, today everything is very simple, like, and because see, now we are sitting together
That's right.
right now, but we are not together right now, but we are together right now
But we are together.
because
Thanks
of
to technology.
technical things.
Yes.
It's like become more powerful, and anybody can do anything, like. And I really wanted to say to everyone, like, and it's very easy if we do efforts and take our steps, and it happens what we can to do, want to do, and we want to achieve
Great
in
advice.
life.
Absolutely. Thanks, Ashim. एक question मेरे दिमाग में है. Amita, I wanted to ask both the singers. You people like us who are music lovers, हम लोग, music सुनते हैं हमारे leisure time में, we do that as a hobby. Now, full-time musicians like you and Shruti, when we call Shruti back, we'll ask her the same question. Like, what do musicians do to relax? पूरे दिन आप लोग म्यूजिक में रहते हैं. When you have your free time, musicians क्या करते हैं?
Yes, म्यूजिशियंस क्या करते हैं उसमें, लाइक, वैसे तो मैं क्या करता हूँ,
हाँ,
जैसे मैं कुछ DIY करता हूँ अगर म्यूजिक नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो,
Okay.
या समथिंग कुछ पेंट कर लिया, या फिर कुछ तो आई मीन लाइक वैसा हल्का फुल्का कुछ और
Okay.
चीज कर लिया, बुक्स पढ़ ली बीच में,
Right.
और उसके बाद बस ऐसा ही.
Okay.
This
Fair
is
enough.
like
No,
that.
absolutely. No, that's great. Excellent. अच्छा, अब बताइए आप what are you going to perform for us next?
Yes, some very beautiful song by A.R. Rahman.
Oh, okay.
I want to
Nice,
sing.
nice. Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Take it away. Thank you.
Thank you so much. लुका छुपी बहुत हुई, सामने आ जाना। कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढा तुझे, थक गई अब तेरी माँ। आजा सांझ हुई, मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई। देख मेरी नजर आ जाना, आजा सांझ हुई, मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई। देख मेरी नजर आ जाना। क्या बताऊं माँ कहाँ हूँ मैं, यहाँ उड़ने को मेरे खुला आसमां है। तेरे किस्सों जैसा भोला सलोना जहाँ है, यहाँ सपनों वाला मेरी पतंग हो बेफिक्र उड़ रही है माँ। डोर कोई लूटे नहीं, बीच से काटे ना। आजा सांझ हुई, मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई। देख मेरी नजर आ जाना। शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी, लहर 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 बह रही है। कोई अनकही कोई अनसुनी बात धीमी धीमी कह रही है। कहीं ना कहीं जागी हुई है कोई आरज़ू, कहीं ना कहीं खोए हुए हैं मैं और तू। के बुम 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 पारा पारा है खामोश दोनों के बुम 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 पारा पारा है मदहोश दोनों जो गुमसुम है ये अज़ान जो कहती है सुनती है ये निगाहें जो गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं है ना। सुहानी सुहानी है ये कहानी जो खामोशी सुनाती है, जिसे तूने चाहा होगा तेरा हाँ मुझको ये बताती है। मैं मगन हूँ पर न जानू कब आने वाला है ये पल। आ होले होले धीरे धीरे खिलेगा दिल का ये कमल के बुम 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 पारा पारा है खामोश दोनों जो बुम 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 पारा पारा है मदहोश दोनों जो गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं जो कहती है सुनती है निगाहें गुमसुम गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं है ना। ऐसे ना देखो ऐसे ना देखो जैसे पहले कभी देखा ही नहीं ऐसे ना देखो ऐसे ना देखो जैसे पहले कभी देखा ही नहीं ऐसे ना देखो। मुझे कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए तुमसे ना दिलासा ना भरोसा ना वाह वाह ना हमदर्दी ना सपने ना सहूलत ऐसे ना देखो ऐसे ना देखो। Thank you so much.
Wow, Ashim,
Beautiful.
thank you so much for that soulful and uplifting performance. And
Wow,
how
thank you.
amazingly talented you are to be able to sing, play the harmonica and the guitar at the same time and
Really,
sing
thank
so
you,
beautifully.
thank you.
Another round of applause for Ashim, please.
Okay, thank you. So thank you so much. And now I'm going to sing little because this was very slow song and I hope you all enjoyed that. So right now I'm singing little peppy songs and
Yeah.
I really everybody wants to enjoy that peppy
Okay.
songs also. Yes. So I'm taking time because of I just wanted to change the mouth organ. So I'm really sorry if. Sorry. Ina minadika. Ina minadiga. I know everybody knows this song and everybody can sing with me. Oh, ina minadiga, dalda modika, naka naka naka, chika pikarika, ina minadika dika de dalda modika, maka naka chika pikarola rika ram pamposh, ram pamposh, ram pamposh, ram pamposh. Hey, hey, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Hey, ina minadika, de dalda modika. Ina minadika, daida modika, makanaka naka, chika pikarika. Kid 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 can kinaga kikra. Kid 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 kid. Kid 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 can kinaga kikra. मैं जो तोड़े नाल रवाते तानू कादियां फिकरा मेरे नाल 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 चले दुनिया सरकार कहंदी कहन किरकिरा मेरे नाल 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 चले दुनिया सरकार कहंदी कहन किरकिरा ओ मैं जो तोड़े ओ अल्लाह नाम दे दीवे नु केड़ा तूफान बुझावे मौला जिस दीबा फड़ ले ओ अगे ही आवे आवे ओ ए ओ ए अल्लाह नाम दे दीवे नु केड़ा तूफान बुझावे मौला जिस दीबा फड़ ले ओ अगे ही आवे आवे पावे तोती कुर्ते पालो पावे पालो निकरा पावे तोती पावे तोती
ਕੁੜਤੇ ਪਾ ਲੋ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਪਾ ਲੋ ਨਿਕਰਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਾਦੀਆਂ ਫਿਕਰਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ 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 ਚੱਲੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਕਿਰਕਿਰਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ 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 ਚੱਲੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਕਿਰਕਿਰਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ 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 ਚੱਲੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਕਿਰਕਿਰਾ ओ गर गर खेलते वड्डे हो गए है समझ के लड्डू पूरा खा लिया ओ गर गर खेलते वड्डे हो गए है समझ के लड्डू पूरा खा लिया छोटे बच्चे थे जब सपने लिए अब मेहनत कर फल पा लिया जेबे मेरी खाली हुई पूरा जो कर्जा लौटा दिया उन तां लगे हल्के हल्के मैं तां नचना खड़ के पूरा मचोना मैं शोर अब है लगे हैप्पी हैप्पी दुनिया दिसदी पैपी पैपी नचना मैला सारा जोर ओ घर घर खेलते वड्डे हो गए है समझ का लड्डू पूरा खा लिया छोटे बच्चे थे जब सपने लिए अब मेहनत कर फल पा लिया जेबे मेरी खाली हुई पूरा जो कर्जा लौटा दिया उन तां लगे हल्के हल्के मैं तां नचना खड़ के पूरा मचोना मैं शोर अब है लगे हैप्पी हैप्पी दुनिया दिसदी पैपी पैपी नचना मैला सारा जोर Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ashim. That definitely put both of us in a joyous mood, and I can see the Zoom that a lot of people are clapping. Another round of applause for Ashim.
Thank you so much.
We are now delighted to have Shuddhi coming back to perform a few more songs for us. Welcome back, Shuddhi.
There she is.
Oh yeah, she's up.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, welcome back. Now, Shuddhi, both Ashmita and I dabble in a bit of singing ourselves, and we know that playing instruments and singing is not an easy task, as we saw with Ashim as well, multitasking. So we just wanted to know, when did you start playing guitar, and what inspired you start learning an instrument?
So actually I didn't, at least for till about 2 years back, I didn't know how to play any instrument. Am I audible?
Okay.
Yeah. So I couldn't play an instrument.
Yes, we can
Yeah,
hear you.
I just felt that I should be able to accompany myself at least with music, because my primary instrument is vocals, and I've always focused on that, and I love it. So I am basically a self-taught guitarist and keys player. I kind of dabble in keys a little bit, but not a professional at all, but completely just to accompany myself. So it's just been, I also felt like initially it was born out of a need, and then I just started enjoying it. So
Wow, that's great to hear, and we're so excited for you to sing a few more songs for us. So
I need to know what she does in her spare time.
Yes.
What do you do in your spare time?
So you know what? I'd love to give you creative answers, but I I love binging shows and movies on Netflix and Amazon.
Oh yeah, same.
Exactly what I do in my free time, because I think 3/4 of my day goes in things that kind of are related to better my music, and so whatever time is left, I'm just binging on shows. I don't do creative otherwise. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you, Shuddhi. Take it away. Everyone, without further ado, Shuddhi Ramani.
Thank you so much. So I'm doing some of the songs that are personal favorites actually. I hope you all enjoy it. करते हैं हम आज कबूल क्या कीजिए हाय करते हैं हम आज कबूल क्या कीजिए हो गए थे जो हमसे भूल क्या कीजिए दिल कह रहा उसे मुकम्मल कर दिया वो जो अधूरी से बात बाकी है वो जो अधूरी से बात बाकी है वो जो अधूरी से बात बाकी है फिर ले आया मजबूर क्या कीजिए फिर ले आया मजबूर क्या कीजिए दिल कह रहा उसे मैं से कर दिया वो जो दबी से आस बाकी है वो जो दबी से आस बाकी है टूटी चारपाई वही ठंडे पुरवाहे रास्ता दूधों की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराही रास्ता देखिए कैसे तेरी South Indian folks out there. Chinna chinna aasai, siragadikum aasai, muttu muttu aasai, mudithu vaikku aasai. Whoever knows this can lip sync. I don't expect everyone to. Chinna chinna aasai, siragadikum aasai, muttu muttu aasai, mudithu vaikku aasai. வெண்ணிலவு தொட்டு முத்தமிட ஆசை, என்ன இந்த பூமி சுற்றி வர ஆசை. சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை, சிறுகடிக்கும் ஆசை, முத்து முத்து ஆசை, முடித்து வைக்க ஆசை. வெண்ணிலவு தொட்டு மாறிவிட ஆசை, பெண்களை கண்டு மாலையிட ஆசை, மேகங்கள் எல்லாம் தொட்டுவிட ஆசை, சோகங்கள் எல்லாம் விட்டுவிட ஆசை, தாழ்வுகளை உலகை கட்டுவிட ஆசை. சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை, சிறுகடிக்கும் ஆசை, முத்து முத்து ஆசை, முடித்து வைக்க ஆசை. Oh mahi, oh mahi, oh mahi, mahi mainu chhadiyo na ke tere bin dil nahi lagna. जिथे भी तू चलना माहे मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे चलना. माहे मैं तुझे छड़ियो ना के तेरे बिन दिल नहीं लगना. जिथे भी तू चलना माहे मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे चलना. तू जी सकती नहीं, मैं जी सकता नहीं, तेरी दूसरी बशरता भी रखना नहीं. क्या तेरे बाजो मेरा माही मैनू छड़ियो ना के तेरे बिन दिल नहीं लगना. This next song is actually extremely close to my heart because I keep singing it for my sister after she takes a bath. So. बटखड़ के मुटियारा आइयां आइयां पटोला बढ़ के, कन्ना दे विच पीपल पत्तियां बाही चूड़ा खनके. बटखड़ के मुटियारा आइयां आइयां पटोला बढ़ के, कन्ना दे विच पीपल पत्तियां बाही चूड़ा खनके. मेरे सोहणिया सोहणिया वे माही मेरा नहीं दिल लगना. मेरे सोहणिया सोहणिया वे माही मेरा नहीं दिल लगना. मेरे सोहणिया सोहणिया वे माही मेरा नहीं दिल लगना. And my last song for this set I want to dedicate to each and every beautiful soul sitting out here. जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय. जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय. आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराए दो हाय 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 हाय. जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट दो बाय 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 बाय. Love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी.
जिंदगी love you जिंदगी love you जिंदगी yeah love you जिंदगी. Thank you. I'm sure after this great initiative that Vision 2020 has taken, everybody sitting here is going to say love you Zindagi at least for the day. Thank you so much.
Wow, what a beautiful way to end your songs, Shuddhi. Thank you so much. Both Ashmiti and I couldn't stop smiling. We had goosebumps the entire time. So thank you so much. We want to listen to you sing all day. Another round of applause for Shuddhi Ramani.
Thank you, guys.
Now, once again, we encourage all of you to please donate to this worthy cause. The details as to how to do this have been put into the chat line and also on the banner. So please do, every dollar counts and will make a difference. Also, please do remember that your donations are tax deductible. So that's good for you guys to know. We are also very, very grateful for our event sponsors, that being Pet Nest, Soulful Shots Photography, Baby Nest, and On Track Systems Australia Pty Ltd.
Brilliant. Okay. Now, Shuddhi and Ashim, don't think you are done for the day. Don't go anywhere. An event like this doesn't go any further without farmaishes. So I'm sure you would be expecting that, but we've had a few farmaishes, we've had a few requests from our viewers. Let me just quickly go through those. I'm really hoping that we can request you to stay on for a little bit longer to fulfill these, please. I'll request Narain. Narain, if you can just unmute the viewers towards the end of the songs. I think we might just have enough time to ask Shuddhi for one farmaish, Shuddhi, if that's okay, and Ashim for one farmaish. And yeah, just towards the end of the songs, if Narain can do the unmuting, so the viewers can participate and applaud. Got a few names here, Shuddhi. Looks like the most popular choice is London Thumakda. How are you with that song? Are you?
I'm so glad whoever requested for it. Thank you so much, because it's one of my favorite songs. I think the entire film is so uplifting. I think that's why I like this song.
I think it's going to suit your voice just fabulously. So if you don't mind, we'll present Shuddhi once again with a farmaish from the viewers, singing London Thumakda. Thank you.
Thank you. तू हो गई वन टू टू ओ कुड़िए वटड़ू ओ हो गई मुंडे दी तुर 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 पतंगा वर्गे तू एवे उड़ दे ओ हो गई मुंडे दी तुर 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 हिला दे चल दे टुक 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 कर दे मेकअप तू कर दे अंग्रेजी पढ़ दे गिट पिट तू कर दे जिम्मे क्वीन साडी विक्टोरिया तू कैंडी बिग बैन दे पूरा लंदन थमकदा ओ जदों नच पैण दे पूरा लंदन थमकदा. I can see a few hands going up. Thank you guys. लत्ते दी चादर उत्ते हनीमून कर माहिया आओ सामने कोलो के रस के माहिया मलमल का कुर्ता दिखता है सब कुछ क्लियर माहिया आओ सामने लगता है छोटा पलंग माहिया. लाउड स्पीकर ते मडोना बजदी ओ लाइक ए वर्जिन ते कहंदी च फैल कर दे कबूतर वर्गी ओ मैं मां फिर दी गुटर गु कर दी गुलाबी शेड दा रंग है फिरंगे ਰੀਤ ਸਭ ਕੇ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸਾਊਥ ਹਾਲ ਤੇ ਚੰਗੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵਧੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਤੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਧਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚ ਪੈਣ ਦੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਧਮਕਦਾ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਗਿਲਾਸ ਰੱਖ ਲੰਡਨ ਧਮਕਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਟਾਈਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੰਡਨ ਧਮਕਦਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਧਮਕਦਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਧਮਕਦਾ Thank you guys. Thank you so much. And thank you for requesting this one. It's one of my favorites too.
Wow, Shuddhi, that was amazing. I could see everybody dancing in the video. So that was so lovely to see and such an uplifting way to end the program.
Thank you. You know, before I go, I just want to thank all of y'all, this beautiful team and this amazing set of volunteers who put this together. And also Ashim for being such a great entertainer and performer. I've been smiling all throughout your singing. Thank you so much.
You are amazing, Shuddhi. You are amazing.
Well done, well
I have
done.
no words, and you singing brilliant, and you playing together like it's amazing. Like
Thank you.
very nice.
Now, Ashim, over to you now. We have a few faramayishes for you, and it's looking like the most popular request for you is Damadam Mast Kalandar. Would you be okay to sing that?
Yes, I will be.
Great. Take it away.
Thank you. हो लाल मेरी हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन सिंधड़ी दा सेवन दा हो लाल मेरी पत हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन सिंधड़ी दा सेवन दा दमादम दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर शखी दा पहला नंबर हो लाल तेरी मैं रखियो भला झूले लालन सिंधड़ी दा सेवन दा दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर चार चराग तेरे बलन हमेशा चार चराग तेरे बलन हमेशा पंजवा में बालन लाइयों बला झूले लालन सिंधड़ी दा दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर हो लाल मेरी हो लाल मेरी चार चराग तेरे बलन हमेशा चार चराग तेरे बलन हमेशा पंजवा में बालन लाइयों बला झूले लालन सिंधड़ी दा सेवन दा दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर छाप तिलक सब चीनी
नीरे मोसे नैना मिलाई के सेना मिलाई के चाप तिलक सब चीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के दमादम मस्त कलंदर अलीदा पहला नंबर हो लाल मेरी हो लाल मेरी. Thank you. So really thank you so much everyone. I mean मेरे को lyrics याद नहीं थे इसके क्योंकि फरमाइश थी तो हमेशा I mean like lyrics याद था.
Thank you so much, Ashim. What an uplifting way to end the program. And thank you both, Shuddhi and Ashim, once again. This event would not have been possible without you two. And I'm sure all of us here can agree that we'd want you singing to us all day, every day, because we don't want this event to end. So thank you once again.
Thank you so much. I just wanted to sing one song for Heroes. And if you, I mean,
Please.
Yeah, okay. Oh, thank you so much.
We are for the heroes, the COVID heroes and the soldiers. And in the front line.
बिन तेरे मैं रूखी पड़ी तू जाने क्यों आए ना कोई कभी चलता हुआ संदेशा क्यों लाए ना यादें तेरी मुझसे बातें करे तन्हाइयाँ है ये मुझसे लड़े तेरे नाम का एक दिया जले अखियन मेरी तेरी पूजा करे पिया मैं बावरी तेरी हुई तू जाने क्यों आए ना अखियाँ बिछी राह में तेरी तू जाने क्यों आए ना thank you Asmita, thank you.
Wow.
Awesome. It was awesome.
ये तो दिल को छू गया, absolutely दिल को छू गया, Ashim. I don't know what to say. I'm kind of speechless right now, but no, thanks for sharing that song. I believe you have obviously sung it and also composed it. So no, that was brilliant. Thank you, and thank you once again to the singers. As Amita said, this show wouldn't have been possible without you. We now have I know we've sort of run over time slightly, but if you can bear with us, we have a short video from the patients at the Swami Shraddhanand Hospital. We're really hoping by the end of this event, we are able to collect much needed funds for the palliative care unit, as you know, we are gathered here for that, and that we can help out as best as we can. Yes, please bear with us and watch this short video. Thank you.
व्हेरी गुड अच्छा ते खरं चांगलं आहे. नाश्ता इथे सगळं वेगळं मिळतं, वेगळं मिळतं आणि न विचारता मिळतं आणि रोज वेगळा नाश्ता असल्यामुळे चांगलं वाटतं. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट अशी की पाहिजे तेच प्रत्येकाला मिळतं. म्हणजे कोणाला फक्त 2 चपात्या असतील, कोणाला 4 चपात्या असतील, कोणाला 3 चपात्या असतील, ते फक्त मिळतात. वगैरे मावशी म्हणा की भाऊ मामा म्हणा ते चांगले आहेत. म्हणजे भूषण बाबतीत ते आणि पहिले मावशी हे एकदम चांगले आहेत, ते चांगल्या वागतात. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट अशी की नर्स म्हणजे ऑब्झर्वेशन तेवढं चांगलं असतं की नर्स जी सांगेल ते मावशी ऐकत आणि त्याप्रमाणे मावशी करणार. We would now like the president of Vision 2020, Mohammad Yusuf, to say a few words.
Thank you, Ashmita. I'm Yusuf. I'm the president of Vision 2020. And first of all, I want, on behalf of Vision 2020, I would like to give a big thanks to all the viewers for joining us today on Zoom as well as on Facebook. I hope you all had a great time and enjoyed our first event. Please follow us on Facebook page to get more notifications on our future events and activities. Thanks a lot for Sudhi and Ashim. You did very well. Thank for your time. It is very much appreciated for this good cause. And we also thank our supporters, Baby Nest, Soulful Shots, On Track Systems, and Pet Nest. Our aim for this year is to raise funds nearly $25,000 for this palliative care unit at Sridharanand Hospital. I know we all have some tough time now, but even at this time, we can bring smile on some people, and I'm sure we can do it all together. You can make donations by credit card or by bank transfer. You will find the details in our website, www.vision2020.org.au. Or you can contact one of our members. You can also please get involved in our activities. You can become a life member. You'll find the details in our website. Finally, I thank Dr. Suraj from Sridharanand Hospital for joining us today, as well as our Vision 2020 team, and Asmita and Amita for working behind the scenes to make this event very successful. We have more event schedules for this fundraising activity. Please follow us on Facebook and for the details. Thank you very much. We'll have the Zoom open for a few more minutes. You can chat to us and pledge your donations. Thank you.
Well said.
Yeah, on behalf of our hospital, I would like to thank Vision 2020 organization and all the viewers for their generous donations. We remain indebted to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Shuddhi and Ashim are still there or gone?
Yeah.
Another big thank you to both of you. God bless you guys.
Thank you, Sudhi. Thank you, Ashim.
Wonderful, absolutely great job.
Yep.
Thank you.
You know, we can't imagine how greater it would be if we were face to face.
Yeah.
Even with our limitations, you guys were just awesome. The way you presented yourself, the way you sang, with all the limitations that we have, but still did an absolutely marvelous job. We just cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Shruti, Ashim.
Thank you, Asmita. Thank you, Amita. Thank you, Shuddhi. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Robin, sir.
Thanks, guys.
Thank
See
you,
you in
Yusuf
the
sir.
next show.
As Yusuf said again, I would reiterate that Amita and Asmita, absolutely wonderful job. Really great.
Yeah.
It was our pleasure. We enjoyed it.
Yep.
And thank,
Do it again.
yeah.
Have to thank the viewers. We've had that many. I'm
Thank
just
you,
blown
everyone.
away.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, we had lots on the FB as well. And also, I think on the chat line, we had lots of responses.
That's
So
Yeah, many people pledged already, and some may have already, they have transferred money. Thanks a lot for all of them.
Well done, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well done, event team as well, and well done to the singers. Keep singing. It was a really beautiful evening.
Thank you. Is that Viva?
Yeah.
That's Vibha, yes. And great work, event team.
Yes, considering this was our first one, I think we did pretty well.
Definitely. We had a great response as well. It was good.
Yeah, next time Robin should say we have local artists. We can get the local artist to sing.
I thought
Robin,
Hema
sir.
Rao was a local artist.
Yes, Robin, sir.
Yes, I can also sing.
Yes.
Oh, is that a kind of a prompt or what?
No, we can get Amita, Robin, Asmita to sing.
I think I just want to say hi to so many people sitting in Nasik, in Mumbai. Quick hello to all of you guys.
Hello, everyone.
Bakshi is in Nasik. My good friend Pankaj Joshi, I don't know whether he's still there in Mumbai.
All the Vairagi Walas were watching. Thank you, Vairagi Walas.
Oh, yes. And I think I've got Geeta Shukri's aunt.
Not to mention the Mankards, of course. That goes without saying.
I also want to say hi to Geeta if she can hear me.
Will we be getting a recorded version of this?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it is getting it.
Okay, good.
Is Shuddhi's father Ramani there?
Ramani.
Ramani, where are you?
Hey, Sanjay Pawar is waiting, right? Ramnathan. Ramani.
I don't think.
Yeah, Sanjeev, hi. Robin, hi.
Hi, Ramani, how are you?
Yeah, Sanjeev.
Shuddhi was awesome, really.
Thank
Call
you.
me
Thank you. I
Your
will,
number, we'll talk.
Your daughter is amazing.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
We got that, Anna.
Yeah.
You're singing that. Your song from Vatan.
Hopefully, after the COVID gets cleared, we'll probably have all of you guys here in Australia and we have a live performance.
Oh, that'll be great. Looking forward.
Yes. Thank you, Ashish. Ashish is there.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you once again, Ashim.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Hashim, thank
Thank you, sir.
Great
Thank you so
job.
much.
You got a beautiful voice.
Yes.
Very
Thank
good,
you,
both
Yusuf,
of you.
sir. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you so
Both of
much.
you were fantastic.
Yeah.
Ashim, unfortunately, Rita is probably not there with us for obvious reasons.
Yes, exactly.
Please thank her on her behalf, because
Yes, yes. Thanks to
it
Rita
wouldn't
ma'am
have happened
also.
without her.
Exactly. Yes, yes, this is true. And missing her. Yes.
Dr. Suraj is saying, so graceful.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for making this happen in such a manner and nice manner. Thank you.
Hello.
Many
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
I am Dr. Saxena, heart surgeon. We started this Padmanabha Ashram Hospital 30 years ago.
Yeah.
And at that time, we felt the need for palliative care, which is
Right.
increasing every year.
Mhm.
And we appreciate all the help that you guys have rendered. I was not aware of this program till late this morning, and therefore could not participate. But in any case, I'm very glad to see it, and I would like to see further participation and further enhancements of this program that we started about 30 years ago. The eye center is building up fast, and we hope that other centers in this Satyanand Hospital can be built up. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Saxena. It's a pleasure to have you on today, and we look forward to seeing you again in all the events forthcoming.
It will be really a pleasure for me to participate. I didn't know about this. And just about 10:30, 11 o'clock, I came to know.
Mm.
So I left everything and I said, let me enjoy this program.
Very good.
Excellent. I think
Yeah.
you've
Well,
done a
fol-
good job in Nirmal. I think that place badly needed some support.
Right.
So hats off to you.
Thank you very much, and appreciate all the good work you guys are doing.
It's an absolute pleasure.
Thank you, Jab, for joining us. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Subscribe to Awaaz today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.